Welcome everybody. We got an interesting question. Foremost, let me draw the figure. You have a square and this is a square. Okay, so let me take this as A, B, C, D. This is a square. Inside this square, you have a triangle. Okay, now we are expected to find the area of this triangle. We've been given the area. You have a triangle here, a triangle here, a triangle here. So this is given to be as 18. The area is 18 there. Area is 48 and the area here is 18. Okay, square meters, square meters, square meters. We are expected to find the area of this triangle. Okay, so this is the shaded triangle. I'm not going to be using graphing calculators because of the fact that graphing calculators or graphing softwares, better to state it as graphing softwares, they are not in a position to handle a question of this intensity. Now, why do I say that? Because of the number of variables that are involved in this particular question. So, having got that information out, let me utilize the concepts in algebra and in geometry to solve this. Now what I wish to do is I would like to take the side of the square. It's going to be like this. Let the side of the square be equal to A units. So this would mean area of the square is equal to side multiplied into side is A into A is equal to A squared square units. So this is A. Now clearly you can see that from here to here you have intersection. The triangle is hitting the side of the square. So let this distance be, can I take it as say sum B? Let this distance be sum C. Let this distance be sum D. Let this distance be sum E. And we know this entire side is A unit. So this is the way I am dividing or allocating the variables A, B, C, D, E to the sides. So having named the sides, let me form the algebraic equation. Next important step, form the algebraic equation. So B positive C is equal to A. This is equation 1, and D positive E is equal to A, equation 2. Okay, now let me consider the triangle BA. Can I name it as E? Let me name this point as E. Let me name this point as F. So consider triangle ABE. Now area of triangle ABE is equal to half times base into height. Okay, so this is half, the base is A units, the height is B units, so this is half AB. What is the area? Area is given to be as 48, so this means 1 over 2 AB is equal to 48. Therefore AB is equal to 8 to the 16, 1, 4 to the 8, 9, 96. I'm taking this as 3. Okay, so next I will move on. Consider triangle CDE. So all of these are 90 degrees. Okay, there's a 90 degree there. So consider triangle is, I'll just mention it as FDE. FDE. So what is the formula? Half times base into height. What is this? This is the area. So the area for this is 18. Half times the base is 3 units, the height is 10 units. Therefore CD over 2 is equal to 18. CD is 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 3. So CD is equal to 36. That is number 4. Next, consider triangle FCB. So I'm actually talking about the area, so which is half times base into height. My base is E units, height is A units, and the area is 18. So therefore AE over 2 is 18. This means AE is 36. So this is number 5. Okay, so having got all this, what I'm going to do is I will go back and I will consider 1. From 1, what do we have? We got, what do we have? We got B plus C is equal to A, and then B is equal to A negative C. So I'm going to take this value of B and I'm going to substitute it over here. Put this in 3. So therefore 3 becomes A, in place of B it's A minus C is equal to 96. So I'm going to take this as 6. Okay, next from 2, this is from 1, this is from 2 we get. So what do we get? We got D plus E is equal to A. I have E here, I move D to the other side, I get A negative D. Now go back over here. This is AE is equal to 36. So therefore 5 is rewritten as A of A negative D is equal to 36. Okay, so I got 6 and let me name it as 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider 6 and 7 now. So let me go to a new page. So consider 6. So from 6 you got A of A minus C is equal to 96. So A squared negative AC is equal to 96. So A squared negative 96 is equal to AC. Therefore C is equal to A squared negative 96 divided by A. So I'm going to take this as 8. Now from 7, okay, from 7 you get A squared minus AD is equal to 36. A squared negative 36 is AD. A squared negative 36 divided by A is equal to D. So this is 9. Okay, now go back here. 4, utilize 4. From 4, we know that, what do we know? We know that CD squared is equal to CD, it's just CD. CD is equal to 36. It's not square, the CD. CD is equal to 36. And using 8 and 9 in the above, we get. So what do we get? In place of C, I substitute a squared negative 96 over A. In place of D, I substitute a squared negative 36 divided by A is equal to 36. So now you multiply. So you got a squared negative 96 into a squared negative 36 divided by a squared is equal to 36. This is a squared negative 96 into a squared negative 36 is equal to 36a squared. A squared into a squared, a power 4, negative 36a squared, negative 96a squared, positive 96 into 36. 6 6 are 36, 3, 54, 57, 18, 1, 27, 28, 6, 15, 13, 14, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 36a squared. So bring this to this side. So you got 36, 96, 6 and 6, 12, 1, 12, 13, 132, and then this is another 36. So it's going to be 8, 6, 1, 168. So a power 4, negative 168 a squared, positive 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, let a squared be equal to sum m. So therefore this can be rewritten as a squared raised to the power of 2 negative 168 a squared plus 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 0. This is m squared negative 168 m positive 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what I wish to do is I would like to use synthetic division, or you can use quadratic. So from synthetic division, coefficient of m is 1, coefficient of m squared is negative 68, and constant term is 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to find all the factors, okay, of 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what I want to do is I want to use trial and error. Now given that I got 168, I want to try out the number 24. If I get a 0, then 24 is the number that we are looking for. It is going to be the factor. I bring 1 down. 24 into 1 is 24. What is this? This is going to be 4, 4, 1 with a negative sign. So you multiply 1, 4, 4 with 24. 4 4s are 16. 1, 16, 17, 1, 4 1s are 4, 5, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 2, 6, and then 7 and 8, you get a 15 there, and then you carry out 1, 6, 14, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 24 times 144 is 3, 4, 5, 6 with a negative sign, you get a 0. So this is the factor. Of course, you should have some element of divisors and factors to pick out this, and that comes by practice. So having mentioned that this is going to be the quotient, this is the remainder. So let me utilize m. So I mean m negative 144 and m negative 24 will be equal to m squared negative 168 m plus 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this entire quantity is factored into m negative 144 and m negative 24. Now we are actually trying to solve this. So this would mean m negative 144 into m negative 24 is equal to 0. So from here m is equal to 144 or m is equal to 24. This means a squared is equal to 144 or a squared is equal to 24. This means area of the square is equal to 144, or area of the square is equal to 24. Now you tell me, can the area of the square be equal to 24? Is it possible? Go back to the figure. This square has got 3 or 4 triangles. 3 of the triangles has an area of 48, 18 and 18. How is it possible for a square with total area of 24 containing triangles whose area is 48, 18 and 18? Not possible. So this is dropped. Now this is dropped. This is alone taken. Okay. So let me box this. Area of the square is 144. So that is accepted. So let me go back here. So this means area of the square is equal to 144 square meters, and we are expected to find the area of the shaded triangle. So that would mean subtract the sum of all these areas. So required area is equal to area of the square from the area of the square. You take away 48, 18 and 18. So how much is this? For 18, 18, this is going to be 16, 1, 36 and 48. You add them, 16 and 8, 14, 1, 7, 84. So from 144 you subtract 84. So 144, 84 is 0 and this is 6. So this is going to be 60 square meters. So what is this? This is the area of the shaded triangle, and that is the end of this particular question. Thank you everybody. So we have outrightly solved this using algebra and geometry. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, enjoy your day.